cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another amazing recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some nice homemade mashed potato. I'm telling you, this right here is gonna be super delicious. It's gonna be so creamy and so tasty and so flavorful. Oh my gosh. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I thank you all so much in advance and stay tuned for the video. So guys, now I'm gonna make my mashed potato. So in my bowl right here, I've got 8 potatoes, okay? I peel most of it and I just leave this one. And these are my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of my black pepper. I also have some garlic, some fresh garlic, and this is at least 4 cloves, okay? What I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna roast it. Yes, I'm gonna roast it in my air fryer. You can also roast it in your oven and it's gonna become really soft. Yes, I'm gonna add it to my mashed potato. Trust me guys, it's gonna be super delicious. I also have some heavy cream, and this is at least just over half cup. Some good old mayonnaise. This is over 1 cup. Now I'm just gonna roast my garlic. So first I'm gonna add some of my oil, and the oil is just gonna allow the peel to come off easily. So that's why I add at least 2 teaspoons. Gonna wrap it just like this. My potato, I'm just gonna cut it in 2. A bit of peel even this one, so just cut it off. They're already washed like this. With this potato guys, I'm not gonna peel it, I'm just gonna cook it with the peel on it. Yes, you don't have to do that, it is totally optional. I just want to do it. So remove like anything you see, like any black bit, you can just remove it. So to my pot, I'm just gonna add my potatoes. Then I'm just gonna pour some of my water from my kettle. Just add enough water so it can cook evenly. I also add 1 teaspoon of my salt. Mix it in. I'm just gonna allow it to cook until it's softened. Just gonna half cover my pot so it doesn't boil over. Guys, my potato is all finished. It is nice and soft. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove all the liquid. Make sure that the fat go all the way through. That's done. So guys, I have my potato right here. I put in my bowl with my mayonnaise and my heavy cream. So my garlic is roast. As you can see, it is really soft. You can just remove the peel just a bit from it, just like so. That's the reason why I put the oil, so the peel will easily come off. See that? soft, that's exactly what you want. Perfect. So once I finish remove it from the peel, I'm just gonna add my garlic to my potato, just like so. I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my butter, unsalted butter. Heavy cream. This is gonna be so creamy, guys. I love my mashed potato to be nice and creamy. Gonna add that mayonnaise, that good old mayonnaise. Gonna add all my seasoning. Gonna use my potato masher and just mash it down. So guys, I also have a hand mixer, and I'm gonna take a hand mixer to mix it as well, because I want it to be nice and smooth. Just start off on low. So I just finished mix it with my hand mixer, and this is what it look like. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, so nice and so creamy. This is how I like my mashed potato, guys. So now I'm just gonna add my mashed potato to my bowl right here. So good, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so yummy. Take a fork, just do like this. Just gonna take some melted butter and just put all over it like this. Just gonna add some parsley, which is optional. So guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. And this side right there, I do candied yam. I have a video on my channel on how I make it. Check it out. Until next time, bye. Love you all. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Bye guys.
Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious